November 16th, 2014. Welcome to Maheo. I'm sitting in my deer blind right now, watching birds because there's nothing else to watch. Saw some deer this morning. About 6 of them crossed right through that lane out there. All does. This here is just purely for my enjoyment. If we back up a little bit, looking out my window, inside my blind, see some potato chips there. There's fuel for my fire, which is connected to the New Way radio stereo blind heater. Some essentials on the shelf, some water. Looking out my primary shooting window. No deer, just snow. A little power pack there. Keep my phone charged up. And of course, the 300 Weatherby. Can't hardly see it. Gun of choice. So that's where I am. Just sitting here, watching the birds, waiting for the deer.